8 Common Misconceptions about Solar Power Plants. First, more energy is obtained from the sun in hotter regions. Solar power plants do not produce more electricity in hotter regions. Solar panels can still generate electricity even in cold weather. Second, solar panels cannot produce energy on cloudy or rainy days. Solar panels receive less sunlight on cloudy or rainy days compared to sunny days, but they still continue to produce energy. Third, a backup generator is needed after installing solar panels. Solar energy systems do not require a backup generator after installation. Fourth, solar energy systems cause damage to roofs during installation. In fact, installation of solar panels can make the roof more resistant to strong winds. Fifth, solar panels require a lot of maintenance after installation. Regular maintenance is required to get the most out of solar power plants. Sixth, installation of solar energy systems takes a long time. Systems installed in individual homes can be completed in one day, and small businesses can take up to a week, but installation time varies depending on capacity. Seventh, my sloping roof type is not suitable for solar panel installation. Solar energy systems can be installed with the right construction material for all types of roofs. Eighth, installation of a solar power plant is a costly process. Installing a solar power plant is an investment in the future. The cost of solar energy installation is recovered within 3 to 6 years. Your solar power plant has been installed, but what should you do now? You need to check if the newly installed solar panels are producing energy at 100% efficiency. Errors made by engineers and technical personnel during installation and supply problems due to PV panel production can occur. We report the results of thermal inspections with Mapperx to prevent such situations. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.